Good things are coming your way. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. You know, we're talking about your life, your goals, and your dreams. That's what this channel is all about. It's your life, your goals, and your dreams. And one of the most powerful thought forms that you can carry with you in your mind is good things are coming my way. I know I've talked about this a little bit before in another video, but the truth of the matter is this is a powerful thought form. Like energies attract like energies in the universe. This is like the basics of the law of attraction. Likes attract likes. Birds of a feather flock together. So think about this. What kind of thoughts are you thinking? What kind of vibrations are you creating with your mind? Because that's what you're going to attract back into your life. For example, if you have vibrations and thoughts of incredible confidence, then you tend to attract more opportunities in your life. People that attract opportunity after opportunity after opportunity tend to have incredible confidence. If you have the energy and the vibration of wellness, you tend to attract health and vitality. And you see these people 104, 105, they're out doing push-ups, they're out swimming, they're out running decathlons. You know, it's incredible. But they have the vibration, the thought form of wellness. And so they constantly believe that good things are coming their way. If you have the energy and the vibration of abundance, you tend to attract wealth, you tend to attract good people around you, and you tend to attract a lot of money. I know that when my vibration was low, I was struggling in every area of my life. And then I began to use the mantra, good things are coming my way. And so every time I thought of an area of my life, I would expect good things to come my way. If you are focused on the energy of love, I didn't say want, I said love. Love is about giving. Love is about sharing. If you're focused on that, high flyers, guess what? You tend to attract love, that positive, optimistic, loyal, trustworthy kind of love. So I think it's very, very important to understand that your thoughts create a vibration, and the universe matches that vibration with manifestation. Good things are honestly coming your way if you believe they are. Okay? Create the frequency you desire to attract. So, when we were living in a small place up in Portland, I decided that I wanted a place in the sun. I wanted a place that had a lot of personal freedom. I wanted a place that was hot year-round, and I wanted a pool. And I created that frequency. And one of the ways we did that is with the 3x33 technique, which I'll talk about here in a moment. But I saw it clearly in my mind. I affirmed it over and over and over again. And you can do this with every area of your life. Look, life is good. Life is beautiful. The sun is shining, or it's raining, or it's snowing. But life is wonderful. It's incredible. And what really makes it a beautiful experience is when your mind is attuned to the highest potential that you have at that moment. And it always starts with believing that good things are coming your way. And so find the area that you're interested in most and work to bring your vibration up in that area. Everything is possible. Everything. There is nothing that is impossible. The real magic in life is knowing that you can have it all, that there is no limit, there is no boundary. You can have the Quan, as they say in the movie Jerry Maguire. Have it all. I recommend starting with the 3x33. 3x33. Take one intention, write it out 33 times. Do it for 3 days in a row, and then take 3 days off. And don't even think about it. Just go about your life. And then after 3 days, come back and do it again. And pretty soon, in no time at all, you're going to have things flowing into your life, because as you, boy, the bugs are some kind of a June bug back there or something. I'm not certain what it is. I hope it doesn't eat me. But anyway, this really works. It's how we manifest things here. And it works. It's phenomenal. It'll put money in your pocket, love in your heart, better health. Use the 3x33 technique. Write it out 33 times for 3 days. Your intention, what you desire. Make it in present tense. I am enjoying my beautiful new home and swimming pool. I am enjoying my beautiful new home and swimming pool. And do that, and you will have a good day. Bye-bye now.